Hi, dear Libra. A very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 7th till the 13th of October, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Okay, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. Okay, and if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box, and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the Three of Swords. So someone is quite heartbroken here. Someone is quite sad and depressed about whatever is happening or whatever happened between you guys. Okay, this is some kind of sadness or depression around the situation. Depression is not always like literal depression of, okay, clinical depression. Sometimes it's just sadness, the not being able to express their feelings kind of sadness. Yeah, let me clarify the Three of Swords, honey, as their feelings for you. Someone is heartbroken over it. What is happening? Yeah, it's like this person is feeling like no matter how hard they are trying to make this situation work out between you and them, it always keep on getting stuck, and they feel like your guards are up, your guards are high, and even if they are trying their best to let you keep their guards down, you're not able to do that. So for some reason this person is feeling heavy blockage in this connection between you and them, and they're feeling like no matter how hard they're trying to overcome the obstacles and challenges in the situation, they're not able to do that. It's basically they're putting in the effort and energy from their side. All they're getting out of this situation is heartbreak, pain, and a lot of wounds. Wow, this person is like a wounded warrior. They're scared that it is never going to work out between you and them. They're scared that even if they're going to give their life to the situation, it's always going to be like this only. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Four of Cups. So Libra, you're also very upset about something. You're not, either you are like in this energy of trying to find out a new person, a new energy to be with you, but you're not able to find that kind of person or energy the way you want it, or whatever connection you are in right now, it's not giving you the kind of happiness that you were hoping it to give you, right? Let's clarify the Four of Cups. It's kind of making you upset and confused and not able to find the kind of happiness that you were wanting. Let's clarify the Four of Cups as your feelings. We have the Eight of Wands, the Emperor, and the Eight of Cups. Yeah, it's like you feel like walking away and moving on from the situation because there's nothing left in the situation that you can do anything about. Yeah, it's like you felt you're feeling like you give the situation a lot of energy, lot of time. You communicated your needs well, you communicated your energies well, but all you're getting out of this situation is confusion and lot of manipulation, emotional manipulation, and lot of sadness. So you're not happy in the situation anymore, so that's why you feel like detaching from the situation and moving on and leaving it on the universe, and that is why the other person is kind of feeling rejected by you in some way. Okay, okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? Ace of Pentacles. Their intention is to have a brand new beginning in this direction. This person wants to put in the effort and energy to make the situation work out on a solid, committed kind of a level. Okay, this person definitely wants to have a brand new beginning, and they want to offer you something stable on the table. Let me clarify the Ace of Pentacles. Even if this is not working out, even if this is the worst kind of connection between you guys, this person is not giving up. Energetically, they're still so much into you, and they are manifesting this connection. They want to manifest a brand new beginning with you, till the level of growth and expansion, till the level of happily ever after, marriage and or commitment kind of energy. So this person definitely wants to make you their spouse, and then make you their father, make you the father or mother of their kids. Wow, this person is planning an entire future with you, and you on the other hand is losing interest in this person. Either you are trying to walk away from the situation, or you have already walked away from the situation completely, and this is making them upset, and they're blaming you, Libra, for this person is definitely blaming you, like Libra is the one to blame here. Libra did this with me, Libra did that with me, Libra is an like a scoundrel or asshole and whatnot. So you are the one here. They're playing the victim card here. I don't know who's the victim here. I don't know who is doing what here, but this person is definitely playing the victim card right now. Now, what you want to just wait and watch. You are in this energy of not rejecting the idea of being with this person completely, like 100%, but you're definitely rejecting the idea of being with this person right now. You are in this waiting and watching kind of energy. You want to see where things can go, what can come out of the situation with time. Let me clarify the Seven of Pentacles. So this is happening with you guys from last 7 months on a very, very regular basis. And that is why you're kind of in this energy of taking a step back and re-evaluating the situation from a distance. Yeah, you just want to do the right thing. You just want to be patiently waiting for the right kind of energy, right kind of dynamic, right kind of person. Or even if this person is meant for you, you just want to make sure that you and them are on the same page and you guys are doing the right thing in the right kind of dynamic, right kind of energy. So again, you just want to reevaluate the situation from a distance, and you want to give the situation time and patience, so that if it is meant for you, if this person is meant for you, eventually you guys are going to meet halfway and be on the same page with each other. Let's see what's coming towards it till the 13th of October. What could be the possible outcome here? We have the Knight of Wands. Okay, so I do see some kind of action in your direction. Somebody is going to be like, okay, I can't stop myself from taking this kind of action in this direction, because it's like on and off, in and out kind of energy. Somebody is still coming towards you with some kind of unstable kind of energies. They're not very stable. They're not very mature or grounded. Hmm? Yeah, somebody is going to confront you because they might feel that you are doing whatever you are doing with them because of some kind of third party issues, because you are involved with somebody else, or you're too much involved in something else that you're not even bothered about them anymore. So somebody will try to take some kind of action. Might be they will try to create some kind of drama in your life in order to get the truth out of you about if you are dealing with something else or someone else apart from them, or if there's already third party kind of dynamic in the situation. They will definitely try to understand whether you want to be with them or with the other energy or with other person or other things that you are doing. You could be very much focused on your money, job, career kind of a thing right now. I'm not focused on a relationship kind of deal right now. So might be that is a third party, but this person is definitely going to try to confront you at least about a third party kind of dynamic between you and them, and they will try to understand what's going on. They might create some kind of mess, and that's going to end up in some kind of disaster. I don't see good result here of their action. Let's see the guidance here, Libra. We have the Five of Wands, the Chariot, and the Three of Pentacles. The guidance here is the more you are going to feel that you need to fight with this person to get the justice, the more you are going to get the injustice here, the more you are going to get caught up in the drama, the fight, the chaos unnecessarily. Okay, focus on the things or people or situations that's good for you, that's going to bring the best out of you, and that's going to help you to move forward in your direction, in your life's new direction with productivity. Focus on things, again, people and situations that's bringing the best out of you and the productive side of yours, rather than focusing on trying to prove yourself right or being part of some kind of drama or chaos or conflict just to prove yourself right. Don't do that. Just let it go. If something or someone is not matching with your energies anymore, just let it go. Don't try to prove yourself right or wrong, because it's not your job, it's the universe's job, and it will happen when the timing is going to be right for you, right? Just at the right timing. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.